Hi, I'm Jake, an engineer at Rollon. Welcome to this Tech Talk. Today we'll be discussing linear motion in semiconductor manufacturing and how Rollon's wide selection of linear motion components can provide specialized solutions for your applications. As semiconductor technology advances, motion systems are expected to deliver higher speeds, tighter accuracies, while maintaining consistent long-term reliability. This means that careful material selection and cleanroom-ready design are key in semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Rollon's catalog of telescopic guides, linear actuators, ball screws, rod ends, and bearings offer the components needed to create reliable motion solutions for electronic manufacturing applications. Let's look at wafer inspection systems, for example. Stability, repeatability, and motion control at micron-level tolerances are crucial here. Rollon's MG rails are roller-bearing linear guides that deliver very high rigidity and precise motion to avoid deflection and vibration during movement. The ball screw-driven TH actuator delivers repeatability, supporting precise defect detection and consistent measurement results. Linear tables provide rigid, customizable platforms for mounting wafers, optics, or sensors. The XP extreme position ball screws are engineered for rigidity and positional accuracy, which can maintain control during movement without sacrificing speed. Semiconductor manufacturing often requires ISO 3 clean rooms, but choosing actuators and other components that are rated for more stringent cleanroom requirements is often an economical way to protect against contamination-related issues. The Rollon 1 Series belt drive actuators provide cleanroom-rated actuator solutions while maintaining high speed and repeatability over long stroke lengths. The 1 Series features pressure ports to negatively pressurize the actuator and ensure cleanroom performance. Product inspection is another critical function in semiconductor manufacturing, where precise alignment and repeatable motion directly impacts yield and quantity. The HBOT actuator gantry provides a compact single belt design actuator solution that's ideal for moving lightweight components or inspection heads quickly and efficiently across a workspace. XT extreme transport ball screws deliver stiffness and dynamic response that's needed to move rapidly without sacrificing accuracy in linear motion. The MGB profile ball rails provide hardened raceways and robust recirculating blocks, which ensure smooth motion and consistent alignment over repeated cycles. V-line guides, with their hardened and ground raceways and V-shaped roller bearings, are engineered for high-duty, high-cycle performance. They handle repetitive motion reliably and maintain smooth travel even when loads or difficult environmental conditions may be present. Compact rails provide self-aligning capability that help maintain smooth, consistent motion. When applications demand extremely smooth, rigid, and compact linear guides, cross-roller guides deliver high rigidity and precise linear motion in a compact profile. These are ideal for short stroke positioning, fine adjustment mechanisms, and inspection modules where stiffness and accuracy are critical, but space is limited. Full extension and overextension telescopic rails enable smooth, accurate linear movement in drawers, access panels, or service modules within equipment. A challenge that is unique to the semiconductor manufacturing industry is magnetic interference. Rollon's stainless steel solutions provide reliable non-magnetic options in these cases. All these solutions are designed to easily integrate linear motion in semiconductor manufacturing equipment of all kinds. If your application has unique requirements, our engineers will work with you to develop a solution that's tailored to your machine and specifications. For more information on the components mentioned in this video, or to see other solutions for semiconductor manufacturing, visit Rollon.com and click on Industries, then Electronics. You can also get in touch with a Rollon engineer at any time by clicking on Contacts. Thanks for watching.